Let's talk about Videocon now. The company has entered the telecom business. There's been a lot of talk about a possible stake sale to a foreign company. The stock as we speak is at 242. Venugopal Dhoot, chairman of the company, is with us now. Morning, Mr. Dhoot. Good to see you again. There's been a lot of talk that you're about to sell 26% stake in telecom operation to a foreign operator. Are you in discussions with any party, and is it likely that such a stake sale will happen?
You see, this is Videocon Communication Ltd is having 22 circle GSM license, and there are foreign parties who are eyeing our success because we have started, and in 10-12 days we have conquered Tamil Nadu, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Punjab and Haryana. So now Videocon has become a large operator in the country, and we have said that in 3 years' time we will be having 10 crore customers. Looking at that, many foreigners who were just shying to come to us now are asking for the equity interest, and then if somebody comes, we might dilute up to 26%, and we may give to 26% diluted equity to them. That is what the talks are going on, but nothing is final so far. These are just, when you are in business, you get several proposals, and these are the proposals. Nothing has come into it.
Mr. Dhoot, morning, but it is something that is under active consideration and may be locked up within this year itself?
That I can't say. The business proposals, when it happens on immediate basis, or it may not happen, it changes the terms and conditions, that one cannot say. This is just proposals we are getting, and as you know, there are several investment bankers. They are taking our proposal with them, so they try their level best that the deal happens.
What does Videocon, the listed entity, hold in Videocon Communications, if at all?
Yeah, you see, this is Videocon Communication is a subsidiary of listed entity.
100% subsidiary?
Yeah, 100% subsidiary.
So how much will you be able to raise if you sell 26%? Because that money will come into the listed entity.
Yeah, you see, KPMG has made an equity valuation of this business as 12,000 crore rupees. So how much the investor will give looking at the Indian market, etc., that's all our investment bankers are checking. So, but we think that 26% dilution should have a very good capital inflow in our company, so that our further capital expenditure, etc., also it becomes a part of that, and we have already tied up the money required for this whole project.
But what kind of spend has the listed Videocon already had to incur for telecom, Mr. Dhoot? Because we believe you've applied for 3G licenses in 20 circles.
Yeah, we have applied for 3G license, and whatever the money is required, was that after we get the license, that could be raised by banks, etc. IDBI Bank is giving a lot of money for 3G, and several people are taking from them. So if I get the license, then there is no problem for getting money, raising money, etc. in such a good capital market.
But how much spend do you have penciled down for that?
How much? That you see, mathematical calculations I don't have right now.
How much did you raise from the recently concluded rights issue in terms of equity capital, Mr. Dhoot?
Yeah, that is around 1156 crore rupees has been raised from the recent right issue.
Assuming you do get or do qualify for 3G in the bids, would you need to raise any additional equity capital over the next 3 months?
Not necessary, because in these type of businesses you get foreign funding also, and you get Indian banks to support it, because it is an infrastructure project, and bank don't get to finance infrastructure at a large. So banks are interested to finance all infrastructure projects in India, because they require that type of funding also. So after I get 3G license, I will decide on how to have a capital expenditure and how to have source of finance and the project costs, etc.
There have been reports that you may be looking to demerge your oil and gas business, Mr. Dhoot. Is that true? And would you choose to monetize that business as well by looking at some stake sale?
You see, there are rumors, there are imaginations, those come. But if that happens, I will let you know.
Okay. On the telecom front, are you talking to AT&T or Vivendi? I mean, those names have been doing the rounds. I mean,
well, as you know, whom I am talking, I can't say whom I am talking, etc. Because this is a very, very large business, and there the business terms has to be kept. That is under what you call as non-disclosure, etc. All those things. So I'm sorry, I couldn't reveal those things.
You mentioned that you've made significant inroads into markets like Tamil Nadu, etc. Could you just walk us through what the preliminary numbers are for Videocon in terms of subscriber base that you've managed to build?
Yeah, Tamil Nadu, in the first 7 days we got 2 lakh customers. In Mumbai we have already got 3 lakh customers in 8 days time. And in Punjab and Haryana also we got around 2-3 lakh customers. So getting in 8 to 10 days time so many customers, because Videocon brand has been very, very popular across India, and if you go to the remotest corner we have got service station, etc. We are already in 16 crore home in the India, and we just want to have 10 crore subscribers in 3 years time. So we don't think there is a problem, and we are moving with a very rapid speed.
Now on hindsight, Mr. Dhoot, are you relieved that you did not get the Pune franchise for IPL?
Those are the games. Cricket is a game of chance. So you get it or not get it. All these are game of chance. So we didn't get. That was our luck.
Good luck, you're saying.
Because
no, I don't think. You see, cricket is a game of chance. Is a game of chance. Whether it is you got it or not got it, umpire decisions are always final in cricket.
Because of everything that's happened though, Mr. Dhoot, is there a chance that all these talks are reopened? I mean, for franchises that were not given a green signal, like Pune and like Kochi?
No, you see, I believe in cricket, and what I always say, that umpire decisions are always final in cricket, and what is there, you have to take it as a sport. So I don't have any problem about all those things.
What did you say? 2 franchises, Pune and Kochi?
No.
Pune and Kochi.
With a K.
No, okay. But when you were bidding, Mr. Dhoot, did it appear to you that the bidding process was not non-transparent, or something was going on that didn't meet the eye?
Well, you people know better than me.
No, you were bidding, Mr. Dhoot. You know much better. Please, come on, tell us. Did something appear fishy to you?
No. You see, this meeting is for what we have. I have told that this is for my business outlook, telecom, etc. I think you have got any others also to talk to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Dhoot, for giving us those details. Would not get dragged into an IPL discussion. Don't blame him. People want to stay a bit away from IPL discussions nowadays.